to Staff Sergeant Sanchez, no? Kabay nga way si may matabo liwat. Kabay lang. If ever, may ara naman siya, General Santos. Who are those responsible naman to na maghatag siya sa assistance financial niya o no? Sila ilagin ng IBC. Oh, so ang IBC International Builders, IBC pakamuyo tangaway si matabo dason because in humility ni si Staff Sergeant Sanchez wala sa gani niya magreklamo tapos way kabalo no ganulo yo gani di ba? Oh, wala sa magreklamo direkta sa inyo because he's a policeman, he's a gentleman, no? Pero kung ako, nahulugan din met ko, sokton ka mo. Sokton ka mo, kung hindi ko mo magbayad, pailan na mo kaso mo, negligence. Dito doon na, di ka din siya mabuot siya, kay policeman siya, meaning, in any ways, gentleman siya. Pero kung why sa helmet, gupok ulo yan. No? That's why, saludo ko sa imo, sir. Kay man, pag privilege speech ni Jun Mondial, ni board member Mondial today, ang una kong ginpamangkot yun sa privilege speech niya, sino nagbayad ito sa nahulugan? Pairan pala ito o hindi? Sinong responsable yung magbayad sa ito? Kung magpanukot, patong taxi, nabuka iya pensil, o nagupik iya na ito, o kung magpanukot ko, sino mabayad sa ito? That is why subong gusto na mamatihan na si Sir Max. Kung bala kay natudlog ni Ormel, kung bala ako, kung mugin mo may matapok pa dason, hindi na sila kinangnan mag-file pa kaso sa korte. Ariglo nyo dayon.
Okay, regarding sa Senate, no, any incident, accident, no, report to us immediately, no, kay ang isa dira maayo kung sila niya ma-report yun sa amo, we can act immediately. Kaya kung mag-like kung isa, kung sila niya nang babatihan ng namon, so, we do not know kung base kung sila niya game mo yung murang istorya, no?
Galing Max, galing Max.
Buwan ganito na.
Eh, natakuto kay Sergeant Sanchez, pagkat niya sa opisina niya, wala tao. And then, ang person mabaw, hindi ka identify kung sino. So there should be somebody responsible with that. Ha? Paliyog lang.
Thank you for that.
Board member Soliano.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I just would like to ask sa kay Lieutenant na Chief of Police sa Pabia, how many incident related sa Mocadan safety of the flyover ang recorded sa police station?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, doon pala ako nag-take post as Chief of Police ng Pabia. And during my tenure as Chief of Police, pero po kami dalawang recorded incidents.
Dalawa pa lang?
Can I discuss yung mga nangyaring incidents?
Yes. Kung ano lang mga incident, at least may records kita.
Yes.
Para at least malantaw natin, no? Kung ano pala, kung saan po ginag-umpisa, pag-start in bala kang flyover na dahil na rehabilitation o kung before pa kang rehabilitation?
Yes, sir. The first reported incident was happened during November 27 at 10:30 a.m. wherein...
We know that already.
Sir.
What is asking is yung halip sa simula hanggang ngayon.
Mga pera.
Since the start kasi tayo, tagal na.
Excuse me, ang ginapamangkot mo siya ang incident involved about pulling debris involving Sergeant Sanchez, kapanalantas na. Incident involving a certain Shiruho o Balabag Pabia, ng taxi driver, kapanalang nakita nga. So aside from that, may arap pagin incident.
May arap pag-iban? Wala pa rin, may recorded na?
Sa inyo record.
As of sa Chief Investigator, sir, Chief Investigator ko, sir, dalawa lang yung reported.
Dalawa lang?
Yes.
Dalawa lang?
Yes, sir.
Pala mo, Board Member Soliano, ining insidente, hindi ko magpati nga duwa lang ni. Damo na insidente, galing kiti kung ga-drive ka. Kapin pa may pasahero ka, alang-alang willing mo dakag ma-report pa katukong dila ang dalon mo. Damo na da insidente, galing wala na ma-report. Amo na sila may isog mag-report. Na isog, they went out of their way para gid mag-report, no? Pero ako nagapandi daw mga da insidente kasi siyempre alang pa ka mapundo o kung you have to go out of your way para lang mag-report dito, tika pinapatmasako ka. I-disregard mo lang despite of the fact na hulugan ka pero hipos ka na lang kasi may mga importante ka nga gina-prioritize. Sergeant Sanchez. Okay.
So it was only 2 incidents for the polling debris unrecorded. So may I ask the IBC, Mr. Paria, sir, how you can compensate the incident?
Mr. Paria.
Considering that it is caused by the mismanagement of your safety.
Okay, into the incident we have to review, no? Review na one, and we have to make necessary actions, preventive measures na parang to prevent hindi na matabog rin. No? Ang damo sa mga measures naman nga dapat i-improve naman regarding with that. Hindi na siling dugang kami tao, but then lot of improve naman ng tarapan, improve naman ng mga grades. All of this katanan niya with the sa reklamo o kung the result of this committee hearing, I will share, no? Implement namon ang kutol sa mga measures na dapat ginagawa.
So i-improve nyo lang ang inyong safety measure about the compensation of what happened sa caused by your defect or mismanagement of your safety. Wala lang?
For that, siguro pwede man makakanto si Francis, si Mr. Sergeant sa office for the government from our complaint para mabalaan namon kung what damage nag-ano sa iya. Kay for now, hindi ko mabalaan kung ano ang extent of damage.
Kaya kung may damage caused by somebody's fault, so may malabagin.
Of course.
So I think you must be responsible for the defect.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Chair Board Member Lito.
Hello. Ingigit. Siguro po silingan po ang tap na ko. Ini one more, Mr. Chair. Ang point ko here also, to help also both Public Works and all concerned, and IBC and the Municipality of Paglia. Can you not because we recommended before during the first committee hearing to install CCTVs also nga para ang tanan na nag-obrada hindi man ka nang siling abing kabulan tanan ng kwan basi may nadanlog man tong yan truck ang sa motorsiklo kay medyo nakainom. You know, let's put this spade a spade. If you will let us utilize technology. Let's put CCTV along that area para mabalaan while you also do your other actions nga para to finalize things out nga at least tanan ba nga pananawa naton ma-resolve naton. And then in fact during the first committee hearing that we have had last May, and I was perusing during my aton committee report said to during your privilege speech, remember that was May. Ang resolution dito nga isa is to request the Pabia PNP and the Iloilo City PNP to put or assign personnel from your end also as a person of authority. Hindi luwas sa mga traffic aid para may mga incidents nga parehas maka-report dayon sa atong personnel. So I would respectfully request Mayor Rendora to please provide na madagdagan ninyo kung subong lang may ara na. Thank you very much, but most likely base during that time wala sing may police nga natabo during the incident with Police Staff Sergeant Sanchez. So that is my view, Mr. Chair. So that would also help the municipality of Pabia nga at least may basis kamo, Honorable Goriseta, kung may ara CCTV nga ginakuan ang contractor, so at least may ara kamo may makita. nga basihan, no? So thank you, Mr. Chair. That's my advice and request from your end there sa ila nga ma-realize na. Thank you.